Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to the very first episode on Tech Ostrich, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're taking a captivating journey through the evolution of smartphones. From bricks to pocket-sized supercomputers, let's explore how these devices became the cornerstone of our digital lives. Imagine carrying a device that weighs as much as a bag of sugar, with a battery life shorter than a morning commute. In the early 1990s, mobile phones were primarily for the elite, offering the basic function of making calls on the go. These bulky devices symbolized status, but lacked the smart factor. In 1994, a groundbreaking device blurred the lines between phones and personal digital assistants. The IBM Simon wasn't just a phone. It was a glimpse into the future, featuring a touchscreen, email, and fax capabilities. Although it wasn't called a smartphone then, Simon laid the foundation for all future innovations in mobile technology. As we stepped into the new millennium, smartphones began to adopt features that catered to the business world. Devices like the BlackBerry were akin to carrying a mini-office in your pocket. With their full QWERTY keyboards, managing emails became a breeze. Yet these gadgets remained more of a luxury, overshadowed by their steep prices and complex interfaces. 2007 was the year the smartphone truly became smart. Apple's first iPhone revolutionized the industry with its sleek design, intuitive touch interface, and a revolutionary idea: an app for everything. The iPhone wasn't just a phone, it was a camera, a music player, a navigator, and much more, all rolled into one. It marked the beginning of a new era where smartphones became the center of our digital universe. Not wanting to be left behind, Google introduced Android, an open-source platform that democratized smartphone technology. This meant that not just one, but many manufacturers could contribute to the smartphone revolution. Android's flexibility and customization options made it a favorite among tech enthusiasts and developers alike. The introduction of app stores was a game changer. Suddenly, your smartphone could morph into anything you needed: a book, a game console, a fitness tracker. Apps unleashed the true potential of smartphones, making them indispensable in our daily lives. Remember when carrying a camera was a must for capturing moments? Smartphones have since taken over this role, thanks to leaps in camera technology. Today's devices offer multi-lens setups and software that can turn any amateur into a pro photographer. The evolution of smartphone photography has not only changed the way we capture, but also how we share our lives. The recent rollout of 5G technology promises to turbocharge our digital world. With speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G, 5G is set to revolutionize how we stream, game, and communicate. It's not just about speed, it's about connecting everything around us, paving the way for smart cities and autonomous vehicles. Innovation doesn't stop at internals. The very shape of smartphones is changing. The advent of foldable phones is challenging the slab design that has dominated the market for over a decade. These devices offer new form factors, providing the convenience of a large screen in a compact device. What lies ahead in the evolution of smartphones? Imagine devices with rollable screens, batteries that charge in minutes and last for days, and AI that not only understands your requests but anticipates your needs. The future of smartphones is as limitless as our imagination. As we've journeyed from the bricks of the 90s to the sleek, powerful devices in our pockets today, it's clear that smartphones have reshaped our world. Here at Tech Ostrich, we'll continue to bring you stories that illuminate the past, present, and future of technology. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolution of smartphones. If you loved diving into the past and glimpsing the future with us, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech with Tech Ostrich.